The best technology disappears when you're not using it and unfolds into power the moment you need it. Right now, foldable e-bikes are changing urban mobility forever. Light enough to carry, powerful enough to replace your daily commute, and compact enough to fit where normal bikes never could. No struggle, no wasted space, just freedom that folds into your life perfectly. This is exactly what you came for. And once you see how these bikes combine portability with serious performance, you'll wonder why every bike wasn't built this way from the start. All e-bikes are listed in the description below. Number 1. The future of mobility doesn't just move differently, it looks impossible. Meet the Hubless F5, the world's first hubless foldable e-bike designed to turn heads, save space, and completely redefine what an electric bike can feel like. Because traditional bikes still carry the same old problems: bulky frames, awkward storage, and outdated design. You felt it, trying to fit a bike into small apartments, elevators, offices, or car trunks. It becomes less about freedom and more about inconvenience. This is where everything changes. The Hubless F5 folds down fast, disappears into tight spaces, and still delivers that smooth, powerful ride you expect from a premium e-bike. But what really stops people in their tracks is that futuristic hubless wheel design. It doesn't just ride differently, it feels like technology from another era. And suddenly, commuting feels exciting again. Cleaner, smarter, more effortless. You're not dragging around a heavy machine anymore, you're carrying intelligent mobility built for modern life. This isn't just an e-bike, it's a statement about where transportation is heading next. And once you experience something this compact, this futuristic, and this smooth, you'll realize the future of riding was never supposed to look ordinary. Number 2. The biggest limitation of most e-bikes isn't power, it's freedom. Meet the Urtopia Carbon Fold 2, a dual-battery folding e-bike designed for people who want to go farther, ride lighter, and store smarter, without compromising performance. Because heavy bikes, short range, and bulky frames make modern commuting feel harder than it should be. You felt it, worrying about battery life, struggling to carry your bike upstairs, trying to fit it into small spaces after a long ride. It turns convenience into effort. This is where everything changes. Built with a sleek carbon frame and dual battery power, the Carbon Fold 2 gives you long-range confidence in a lightweight, foldable design that fits into real life. You ride farther without thinking about charging, fold it in seconds, and carry it with ease. And suddenly, commuting feels effortless. Fast when you need speed, compact when you need space, powerful without feeling heavy. It's not just an e-bike, it's mobility without compromise. And once your ride becomes this smooth, portable, and limitless, you'll realize the future of transportation isn't about choosing between power and convenience, it's about finally having both. Number 3. Meet the Ride1Up Portola, a folding e-bike built to deliver premium performance without making your wallet suffer. Because most people want freedom, speed, and convenience, but not at luxury bike prices. You felt it, searching for an e-bike that's powerful enough for daily life, yet compact enough to store easily, without sacrificing quality. This is where everything changes. The Portola folds fast, rides smooth, and gives you that effortless electric boost that makes every commute feel lighter and more enjoyable. And suddenly, getting around feels simple again. No traffic stress, no bulky storage problems, just smart mobility that fits your life and your budget. This isn't just value for money, it's freedom made accessible. Number 4. The perfect city ride should feel effortless, not exhausting. Meet the Fiido D11, a 7-speed folding e-bike designed to give you freedom without the bulk. Because crowded streets, traffic jams, and heavy bikes turn daily commuting into something you start dreading. Sweating through rides, carrying awkward bikes upstairs, fighting for storage space in apartments, offices, or trains. It makes simple travel feel complicated. This is where everything changes. The Fiido D11 folds down in seconds, rides with smooth electric assistance, and gives you the flexibility to move through the city your way. Fast when you need speed, compact when you need space, lightweight enough to fit into real life. And suddenly, commuting feels different, cleaner, quieter, more enjoyable, like the city finally works with you instead of against you. No parking stress, no wasted time, just pure movement with freedom built into every ride. This isn't just a folding e-bike, it's a smarter rhythm for everyday life. And once your ride becomes this smooth, portable, and effortless, you'll realize the future of commuting was never about driving more, it was about moving smarter. Number 5. City life moves fast and bulky transportation just slows you down. Meet the Velotric Fold 1 Plus, a compact folding e-bike built for modern city rides, because crowded streets, limited storage, and long commutes make traditional bikes feel more like a burden than freedom. Carrying heavy bikes upstairs, struggling to park, wasting time stuck in traffic while the city keeps moving around you. This is where everything changes. The Fold 1 Plus gives you smooth electric power in a design that folds quickly and fits almost anywhere. Apartment corner, office space, car trunk, no hassle. And suddenly, getting around feels effortless. You ride farther, store easier, and move through the city with confidence and speed. It's compact, but built for real life. This isn't just a folding e-bike, it's freedom designed for the modern city. And once your commute becomes this simple and portable, you'll realize smart mobility was never about going bigger, it was about fitting perfectly into your life. Number 6. Freedom on two wheels shouldn't feel expensive. Meet the Lectric XP4, a budget-friendly folding e-bike designed to make electric riding accessible, practical, and seriously fun, because commuting smarter shouldn't require spending a fortune. Looking at premium e-bikes with impossible price tags while still dealing with traffic, parking stress, and exhausting daily rides, this is where everything changes. The XP4 gives you smooth electric power, easy portability, and a foldable design that fits into everyday life without draining your wallet. Fold it, store it, ride it anywhere, and suddenly commuting feels lighter, faster, more enjoyable. You skip traffic, save space, and move through the city with less effort and more freedom. It's not about luxury, it's about smart mobility that actually makes sense. This isn't just a folding e-bike, it's proof that the future of transportation can be powerful, practical, and affordable all at once. And once you realize how easy and accessible electric riding can be, you'll wonder why commuting was ever this stressful to begin with. Number 7. The best rides aren't just fast, they make you feel secure every second you're moving. Meet the Cyrusher XF590, a folding electric bike built with safety at its core, because speed and convenience mean nothing if you don't feel fully in control on the road. Uneven streets, sudden stops, tight traffic, that constant awareness that one unexpected moment can completely change your ride. This is where everything changes. The XF590 combines powerful electric performance with confidence-boosting stability, control, and rider-focused safety features that make every commute feel smoother and more predictable. And when the ride is over, it folds down fast, ready to fit into apartments, offices, or tight storage spaces without the usual hassle. Suddenly, city travel feels different, more relaxed, more dependable, like your bike is working with you instead of demanding extra effort from you. No stress, no compromise, just smooth electric freedom with peace of mind built in. This isn't just a folding e-bike, it's confidence on two wheels. And once every ride feels this safe, portable, and effortless, you'll realize true freedom isn't just about moving fast, it's about feeling secure while doing it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechFutrix. Stay ahead.